This is Motorola Moto G53, and today I'm planning to demonstrate you can create the calendar event on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Calendar application. Then over here, choose the date, or prior to actually sign into your Gmail account if you haven't already. Then once at the actual app interface, choose the date that you would like to link an event to. So let's say I'll go with 25th of February. Then once the date is chosen, to your bottom right, tap at this plus icon, then go for the event. And at the event creation interface, you can set the title for your event. Let's say I'll go with Friends Promotion Party. Then set event to be happening the entire day, or enable some time frames for it perhaps. So let's say I'll make it the entire day. Choose if you would like for this event to repeat either daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or any other custom time. You can add participants to this event, invite other people, add the video conferencing link if the event that you are about to create is somehow related to webinar perhaps, or any work video or voice conference call, or whatever practically. You can add the location. So let's say I'll add mine over here. Choose when you would like for this Google Calendar app to notify you about this event. So let's say on the day at 9 AM, the day before 9 AM, or set some custom time. Set the distinguishable color for this event. So let's say I'll set it to be basil. Add a description if you need to, but it's optional, so do not be worried. And I've accidentally discarded the event already. So anyway, once you're ready to save it, just hit that save button over here, and here you have it pretty much. As you can see, I have it on Sunday the 16th of April, perhaps. Yep. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.